Thank you, Mr. President. This is a great day for our state. It's a great day for the 23rd Senate District. In fact, some may say it's the best day ever. And even Governor Evers said the same thing. He said, guess what? After 3 months of negotiations with Republican leaders, we finally have a bipartisan budget deal. And here's the good news. This is a pro-kid budget that's a win for Wisconsin kids, families, and our future. I applaud the efforts of my staff for their work and support for the initiatives our office advocated for this budget cycle. We had a unique process, for sure, this budget cycle we did, but one we had to do. I know the senators and representatives on JFC, both Republicans and Democrats, worked hard, negotiated, and compromised to get this budget done because we need to get it done. In my opinion, our Wisconsin people want to see us work more together, and we do, even if it's not always shown. Now there will always be wins and losses when it comes to the budget. We have to be fiscally responsible while also providing critical funding to those in Wisconsin who need it the most. Those are not easy decisions to be made. So I applaud the efforts of our entire Joint Committee on Finance. My focus and priorities this session and this budget are entirely dedicated to our Wisconsin kiddos, mental health, and substance use disorder services and resources in our state. I've seen firsthand the issues our children are facing. I take it personally as a dad, as a law enforcement officer, and even as a legislator. And I believe there's so many positive changes we can make. This is all about opportunities, and we have to be cognizant when they're right in front of us. This budget is packed with some of those positive changes. We increase funding for our child advocacy centers, who take care of our child victims in a one-stop shop. We establish funding for psychiatric residential treatment facilities to keep children with intense mental health treatment needs closer to home in Wisconsin. We increase funding for the Boys and Girls Clubs of Wisconsin and Jobs for America's Graduates. We put more money towards a positive parenting program and child care access. We put money towards addressing mental health resources for farmers, college students, and for students who are in active recovery. I could go on, but I think my colleagues already know of the motions I put forward this session. I will continue to focus on these priorities and advocate we invest to take care of our kiddos. I know I said this is the best day for the 23rd Senate District and the rest of the Chippewa Valley. As I'm sure everyone in this room is aware, my district faced unprecedented hospital and health care closures. Those closures involved losing a significant amount of mental health beds in the region, including all juvenile beds, as well as the loss of our substance abuse treatment center. I'm happy to see that in this budget there's money for Rogers Behavioral Health to establish a behavioral health hospital that would offer crisis stabilization, residential treatment, and outpatient services for both youth and adults in Chippewa Falls, and also a grant for Lutheran Social Services to renovate and reopen the Ellie Phillips Libertas Center treatment facility in Chippewa Falls, which provides substance abuse treatment services for men across the state. These are huge wins and big strides forward on filling some of the service gaps in our region. To continue on the health care path, this budget secures funding for the Medical College of Wisconsin to bring a family medicine residency rotation program to Northwest Wisconsin. This will help distribute medical expertise more evenly across the state, which is crucial following the closure of HSHS in Prevea. This new program also intends to offer specializations in addiction medicine and behavioral health for our healthcare providers to be better specialized in these needed areas. I'm almost done, I promise. Lastly, we have the approval for the UW Stout to renovate their recreation complex, which was constructed in 1964 and is in need of some improvements. An updated recreation complex center will improve student life for UW Stout students, as well as create a space for community members to also use. These renovations would include a multi-use gym, a weight room, locker rooms, and a new community event space. This is an incredible opportunity to invest in our students and improve their quality of life on campus. I will always fight for my constituents in the Chippewa Valley, and I'm so excited to see these district initiatives and all these other common sense ideas in this bill today. Thank you, Mr. President. The vote is aye.